Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at some crypto stuff, but before we do that, I'm starting things off here with Coinbase. Coinbase is in beast mode. At Stock Market Mentor and at Crypto Market Mentor, we have this on our active trade list, and this has been a massive winner for our members. In just a couple of days, our members are up well over 40% on Coinbase. Now, we did take some partial profits along the way because we respect risk, but still, even 40% on a partial is a pretty darn good trade. And I'm just loving the action in crypto right now. Now, we don't have Bitcoin breaking out just yet, but it does look like it could be on the cusp. So we're watching for a move above $64 here on IBIT. And that leads me to wonder, will MicroStrategy then play catch-up? MSTR has been going sideways since November of 2024. It's just been chopping. But now we're at a bit of a pivot. We have a clear downward sloping trend line from the exuberant high here in November of 2024, and it leads us all the way down close to today's price action. Now, this downward sloping trend line has been a wall that the stock has been unable to get above and stay above. But I'm watching for a move through $400 here on MicroStrategy. I want to see a move through and a close above 400 on MSTR. You could even have a pocket pivot or an early alert entry in and around 395, but ultimately you want to see a strong close above this downward sloping trend line. So whether you get some started in and around 395 or you wait for that strong close, I think MSTR has a chance to play catch up here with the rest of the crypto stocks. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that's helpful. I'll see you next time.